Okay, so what we're doing now, I peeled 10 pounds of potatoes. I boiled them. They're nice and soft. And then what I'm going to do, this is the night before I make lefse. I'm going to rice them. Okay, here's our 4-quart pot with riced potatoes in it. It's hot. We're going to throw in 2 sticks of butter. We're going to throw in half a cup of sugar. Mix this all up, put it in the fridge overnight, and tomorrow we start our lefse. Okay, so I have the potatoes from last night. I brought them out of the fridge. I added about 2 to 3 cups of flour, mixed them up, and now what I'm doing is I'm making like little snowballs that fit into the palm of my hand like that.